Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Roku TV account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open your preferred browser, as I have already opened mine, which is the Google Chrome, as you can see. And on the search bar, click there and type in roku.com and hit enter, and let's let the home page load. And after that, after landing on the home page of Roku, you can see the sign in option over here on the top right corner over here. Click there and enter your email and password over here, and also verify that you are not a robot, and click on submit to log into your Roku TV. And if you have forgotten your password of the Roku TV, you can just simply click here and retrieve your password by going to a certain procedures, or you can just create a Roku account over by clicking over here on the create account. And there, guys, signing into your Roku TV account is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.